So today, I'm transforming into a natural drag look. Now to how it's done. So I start off color correcting my under eyes and my beard, then I buff that in. Then my full face of foundation, and I buff that in. After that, I move on to concealer, again blending it in. Then for some light highlighting in the middle of the face, and using the excess concealer on the eyes, I use a black shadow to deepen my natural brows, and then I start drawing in the tails with, again, black shadow. Once the outline is done and cleaned up, I start using a black matte liquid liner for hairs, then contouring the forehead, blending it in, and moving on to blend, and the jaw. Now to add some contrast to the middle of the forehead, with some light concealer, and doing my nose highlight straight down the bridge, the skinny nose. I gently tap that in with a beauty blender, contour with a darker foundation, and again blend it in. Then I powder everything in place, do some powder contouring. Now I'm doing the kawaii anime blush, the over-exaggerated center of the face, kind of Bella Porch look. Once I'm happy, I'd start dotting in freckles and just tap them out. For the eyes, I just did it's a recreation of a TikTok where it was supposed to look like flames. The original one actually used blue, but I used red and didn't realize that red doesn't really have dark or light red. It goes to pink or kind of a purple, so yeah, it didn't work as well as it could have, but also it was my first try, so yeah, I'm not going to go into too much heavy detail on that. I'll link the TikTok below, but yeah, just for now, that's what I was trying to do, and I just put some gems on top of it. Then I did my inner corner highlight and white in the waterline, mascara on the lashes, and some very light wispy Ardell lashes. Things started going wrong with the lips, but I basically blended and put a red on it. Then I highlighted my cheekbones. Then time for the wig. But I changed the lips. Now she's a woman. A few extra touches. And yeah, that's my natural drag look. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.